Good day, sir. I am Laika Isgapo reporting of Group 6. Our topic is evaluation and its impact to space modification and diversity. Objectives. K. Identify the mechanism of evolutionary change among organisms leading to modification and diversity. S. Explain how organisms change over time showing descent with modification from common ancestors. A. Relate the importance of mechanism of evolution to organismal diversity and survival. So let's discuss. Rice is the staple food in the Philippines. There are various types of rice in the country, and Filipinos call them by local names such as ganador, dinarudo, sinandoming, and angelica. These are some of the different varieties of the rice plant with the scientific names Orza sativa, yet they all differ. What do these differences imply? It means that human intervention can change the organism into a different or improved organism. Human intervention includes choosing specific traits mixed with other select species. However, all organisms can change naturally through a long period of time even without human intervention. This change through time is called evolution, the process by which modern organisms, such as descended from ascent organism. Evaluation. The evaluation is the basic idea of biological evaluation. It's that population and space of organisms change over time. In the 1890s, Darwin wrote an influential and controversial book called On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection. In it, he proposed that species evolve, or as he put it, undergo descent with modification, and that all living things can trace their descent to common ancestors. Darwin proposed that species can change over time, that new species come from pre-existing species, and that two species share a common ancestor. In this model, each species has its own unique set of heritable genetic differences from the common ancestors, which have accumulated gradually over a very long time periods. Repeated branchings, even in which new species split all of a common ancestors, produce a multi-level tree that links all living organisms. He referenced this process, in which group of organisms change in their heritable traits over generation as descent with modification. Today we call it evolution. Importantly, Darwin did not just propose that organisms evolve. He could propose a mechanism for evolution. It's called natural selection. This mechanism was elegant and logical, and it explained how population could evolve, undergo descent with modification, in such a way that they become better suited to their environment over time. So let's take a picture and example. Common ancestors and descent with modification. The diagram visually represent how different organisms from various species of animals to plants The link truth shared ancestry, branching out from a common ancestors. This process, where a group of organisms change their heritable traits over generation, is that Darwin called descent with modification on now hence evolution. Natural selection. The text Porter explained that Darwin also proposed natural selection as the mechanism for evolution. This means that population evolved to become better suited to their environments over time due to advantageous traits being passed down through generation. The branch factor of the tree of life reflect this evolutionary change and the diversification of life from long period all originating from a single point of common ancestry.
Traits are often heritable. In living organisms, many characteristics are inherited or passed from parent to offspring. Darwin knew this was case even though he did not know that traits were inherited via genes. For example, heritability ensures traits can be passed down through generation, allowing population to evolve. Traits like eye color, fur color, and flower color are examples. More offspring are produced than can survive. Organisms can produce more offspring than their environments can support, thus they're in competition from limited resources in each generation. For example, environment have limited resources, leading to competition. Only the best adapted offspring survive to reproduce, driving natural selection. Number 3. Offspring vary in their heritable traits. The offspring in any generation will be slightly different from one another in their trait, color, size, shape, ethic. Many of these features will be heritable. For example, variation arising from genetic mutations and sexual reproduction provides the raw material from natural selection. Differences in trait allows some individuals to be better suited to their environments.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nelson Salarde and I am the reporter for today. My report is about mutation. Evolution by mutation occurs whenever a mistake in a DNA occurs in the heritable cells of an organism. Mutations occur at random in the genome, but mutations are large effect are often so bad for the organisms that the organism dies as it develops. So mutations of smaller effect or even neutral mutations are theoretically more common in a population because mutation rates are low relative to population growth. In the most species, mutation than does not have much of an effect on evolution, but mutation combined with one of other mechanisms of evolution can result in meaningful changes in all frequencies in a population. A DNA mutation is a change in the sequence of nucleotides A, C, G, and T that make it up organism's DNA. Think of it like a typo in a book. The genetic codes rewrite, and it can affect how the genetic information is interpreted. C. Gene flow migration. Gene flow, also called migration, is any movement of individuals and or the genetic material they carry from the one population to other. Gene flow includes lots of different kinds of events, such as pollen being blown to a new destination or people moving to new sites, cities, or countries. This variable flow and individuals in and out of the group not only change the gene structure to the population but can also introduce new genetic vibration to populations in different geological locations and habitats. Gene flow is a movement of genes from one population to other resulting in the transfer of genetic information. This can occur through various means such as migrations. Individuals move from one population to another bringing their genes with them. D is genetic drift. Genetic drift is a term biologists use to describe the gradual loss of certain genes from a species genes that may have been very important for the species survival in each generation. Some individuals may just by chance leave behind a few more descendants and genes. Then other individuals and genes of the next generation will be the genes of the lucky individuals. Not necessarily the healthier or better individuals that in a genetic drift is a random change in the frequency of a gene or genetic trait in a population over time. It's like a coin toss. Change event can lead to change in the genetic makeup of population.
A. Artificial selection. Long before Darwin and Wallace, farmers and breeders were using the idea of selection of cause major change in the future on their plants and animals over the course of decode farmers' characteristics to reproduce, causing the evaluation of farm stock. This process is called artificial selection because people, instead of nature, select which organism get to reproduce. As now on can the said farmers have cultivated numerous popular crops from the world started by artificial selecting for certain attributes. For example, ang pag-aalaga ng aso. Ang iba't ibang lahi ng aso mula sa maliit na tuta hanggang sa malaki bantay sa resulta ng artificial na pinili ang mga tao ang mga aso may nais na ugali o katangian at ginagawa para sa susunod na henerasyon.